Hey there, welcome back. So today I'm gonna show you how you can change your bathroom, kitchen, hallway, whatever you feel like changing with minimal investment and tiny bit of time. I had my hallway transformation planned to finish it with those stickers because I knew that I will not want the mess and I don't know, the money to spend on changing the entire floor. As you can see, the floor is like plain a gray tile, 60 by 60 centimeters. So I decided to use something with a small pattern, something that will create a bit more space there. It's a very tiny area. What I chose to use at the beginning, I didn't use it in the end because I didn't really like how it looked. So I ordered something else. And a little advice, please be sure that you're gonna triple measure the material you need, because I ended up like this and I had to do another order and wait another almost 2 weeks to get the stickers. So that being said, you're gonna need only detergent to clean your surface. Make sure it's dry, make sure it's even as possible. So no dust, no oils, nothing to ruin your glue. And in my case, I started to apply the stickers from the middle, let's say, where I had like an entire piece of tile. It was easier like this to align and to go as straight as possible, because I knew that the edges of the walls are completely crooked, and it was, I think, the best idea. So I started from the middle and then I ended up under the stairs with the sticker. I didn't go till the end, only the part that you can see. So let me take you through the whole process, show you how I did it, and show you how everything came out. So let's go watching. So because I painted my walls before, my floor was a mess and I had to clean it really well before installing the stickers. It took me a few hours to finish. I started to install the stickers from the middle of the room and I went all the way to the door, only to realize that I don't have enough. So the rest was installed after about 2 weeks. So when you're getting close to the wall, make sure that you're gonna glue first the sticker, and after that you're gonna use a cutter to remove the rest of the material left there. Like this you can avoid measuring each piece and cut it after. Use a hair dryer to warm the surface, and with a cloth press everything very well together to not have any bubbles or lift between the stickers. So, what do you think? I think it's the easiest way and cheapest and, I don't know, fastest, I think, to transform something. Maybe you live in a rent apartment and you don't want to, or you're not allowed to ruin the existent tiles or floors or whatever. I used these kind of stickers in other projects. You'll see it soon. I think it came out pretty well. I have it installed for 2 months, more than 2 months now, and they're doing great. The kids are loving it, as you can see here. When they came back from school, and they didn't expect that floor to be there when they came. So yeah, tell me what you think, and tell me if you want to replicate it, if you want to use it yourself in your home. And of course, if you liked it, please be sure that you're gonna press that button. So okay, that's it for now. I hope I'll see you in the next one. Bye.